Olivia, what does a doggy say? What does a doggy say? Mama didn't hear you. What does a doggy say? Ruff, ruff. Tickle, tickle, tickles. Tickles, tickle, tickles. You like to get tickled on your feet, huh? Tickle, tickle, tickle feet. Are you singing? Are you singing? Can you do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Good girl. What's patty cake? Good girl. Did you have a birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you love Mama?
Yeah.
Do you love Mama? Okay.